After leaving the jungle, we came back to busy Iquitos. The city had some nice restaurants, markets, and artwork. Okay, do a little spin. Like you. Gracias. I spent my final days in the city with the incredible people I had met on the retreat. Morning everyone, today I'm going to Monkey Island. I am so excited. It's so warm here, it's like 30 something degrees and I'm like so sweaty. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm just about to get myself sorted to like check out of this room. And yeah, we've got like a tour guide and I think, yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I am currently on the front of the speedboat on the Amazon River, and it's so beautiful. I asked to sit out here. It's so pretty and it's so warm as well. It's like really refreshing, the wind. So we are just walking to Monkey Island. Here's Jim. Here's Norman. So this is the man who complains more than anyone I've ever known.
Oh, nonsense.
Can you talk for us? Because I really like your accent.
Oh, you very well. I thought you were saying poquito a poquito, despacito, despacito.
No way.
Can you normally early morning like now can you saw they
So these monkeys here are quarantined because they've just sort of come into the jungle, so they're kept here for a couple of months so that they can make sure that they're not sick, and then they'll let them out into the wild. They're really small, these ones. Look, I'm just gonna sit here chilling.
Oh, I take this food, no?
He is so cute. Hi! Oh! Oh my gosh, that's so cute! I love you too! Oh, he's like a little baby. Oh, you're making my ovaries hurt. I'm joking. Oh, this is a different monkey. After cuddles with the monkeys, we leaped back onto the speedboat and made our way to the floating restaurant. This was a nice rest stop before visiting the Kakoma tribe.
Buenas tardes, señoritas jóvenes.
Good afternoon to everybody.
Mi nombre es Clever.
He's the leader of Kokama.
Ah.
El hijo the son of Padre Cocha, the name of the village.
had a final meal together and said our goodbyes. Each one of you will hold a special place in my heart. Thank you for being a part of my healing journey. It was time for me to continue travelling on my own.